Messieurs, dames.
D'accord.
Ouais, il faut qu'on.
Mets tout. Tu veux que je mette là-bas? Hop.
Ouais, mais en fait,
De quoi?
c'est bizarre comme c'est tourné.
Ouais. Ouais, ok, ça marche. C'est une petite commande d'Irlande. Tu vas me mettre en forme. J'ai demandé David est-ce que ils ont gagné un appel d'offres. Il y a du budget en plus. Et donc le client il dit bah oui je veux bien travailler avec vous mais vu que j'ai du budget en plus il me faut plus d'équipement, je suis obligé de relancer un appel d'offres. Et donc David il a envoyé un mail à Roy et à Rob
Qui répondent.
pour qu'ils répondent.
Ouais.
Il dit j'ai pas envie que ce soit Playdale qui réponde là. Tout ça. Quoi? Bonjour.
C'est juste prendre l'orientation. Ça peut être à peu près.
On est stressé. On est pressé. On est exigeant. On est syndicat. On est. Dans le petit peu.
Oui tiens oui c'est pas faux ça. Ils nous ont donné en plus.
And we get some free of charge.
Je mange pas de pain.
Ouais, on va leur dire ça. Là, tu vois, une fois qu'on a fini de
Ouais.
négocier le prix,
Ouais.
we need some free of charge invoice.
Du coup de toute façon on attend une demi-heure avant que le premier repart. Je vais aller aux toilettes vite fait.
Ouais, je t'en prie. C'est à l'heure.
Ouais, parce que les prix. C'est 80.
Juste pour information, donc la finale sera transmise en direct sur un lien YouTube. Donc si vous voulez informer vos collègues, donc s'ils veulent la suivre en distance, bon, c'est la première fois qu'on essaye. Et donc les techniciens m'ont informé que c'est jouable. Donc voilà. Alors, juste une seconde, je vais prendre l'adresse pour vous la communiquer. Parce que sinon... Bien, donc nous allons accueillir les premiers binômes. Je vous demanderai le silence, donc l'entretien va durer 20 minutes. Voilà.
Non.
Les yeux sur l'écran cadran.
Non.
Rien.
Bah non.
J'aime pas trop jouer là. Donc ça c'est bon. Ils veulent, je sais pas, il a annoncé tous les trucs. Ouais, mais est-ce qu'on les... Allez hop. Please come on in.
So I'm Noemi. I'm Noemi Russell, export manager, and this is my colleague Anais Hill, sales representative. Thank you for greeting us today. Such short
Thank you for
notice,
coming.
of course.
Yes, we know. We know.
Yeah,
Sorry for that.
Thank
but
you for coming.
Thank you
No,
for
honestly,
coming.
It was for us.
Please have a seat. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Okay, please sit down.
Here's our business card.
Yes, please.
Yes,
Thank
so
you.
here it is. So of course we understand the urgency of the situation, and we know that you need the products as soon as possible. I hope the damage has been not too bad.
It's been extremely bad.
Yes.
Yeah,
I'm so sad.
yeah.
We're so sorry, and we understand that.
Yeah.
What
Must
happened
not be
on
hard.
the
Just
industry?
a big explosion.
Yeah.
Just
Okay.
a huge explosion. Many people died. Just a big drama. So yeah,
We're
Hundreds
so
of people
Very
died.
very
Yeah.
sad.
Very sad.
So anyway,
sad
that
to know.
as you understood, we are an ambulance company.
Yeah.
We have many ambulances. We are the biggest company in Saudi Arabia.
Yeah. Okay.
And during the explosion, we came with many ambulances, did a lot of rescue, and there was a lot of damage on our equipment as well because it was used a lot. So we now need to replace several parts, and that's why we called you. So
Yeah.
we'll let you
awesome.
maybe quickly give us a summary of the situation. And
Yeah,
then
of
we'll-
course. So first, we'd like to ask you a few questions because we really want to know a bit more about you, your requirements and expectations. So I'll let
Please do.
Anais ask you a few questions for us to give you the best offer possible.
Yeah.
So do you have any special requirements for quality and for the products, concerning the products? Do you have any concerns or?
Yeah, we do. We were using, the battery that is delivered with the unit. It's a chiller unit.
Okay, yeah.
We've been using the same battery since then, so we are really willing to use the same device, same battery, because we are satisfied with the quality of it.
In addition to this, we would like to know more about your company because we usually work with different partners, but
Yeah, of
our
course.
supplier is not your company. We don't know you. We've
Yes,
never
of
met,
course.
actually.
You usually work via resellers, don't you, in Saudi?
We usually buy directly from Switzerland.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
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 Sure. So let me tell you a bit about our company and especially about us. So you can see here or here as you prefer. So since 1985, Vlad has seriously become the reference of autonomous energy for the industrial and especially the medical sector. Today we are leader in France in the provision of batteries and especially biomedical batteries. And our vision of tomorrow is to become a major player in the design and assembly of lithium-ion batteries. So currently we're working with 1,500 hospitals and different facilities over France and in Europe, especially also in Middle East. And we've been working since very recently in Saudi Arabia with Saudi Maintenance.
Oh, you work with them, okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, with the
What
main
does this mean?
hospital in
Yeah,
Riyadh.
so
Yeah.
you work with them. Do you mean you supply?
We supply a reseller.
Yeah.
At Saudi Maintenance. So of course we've done the necessary on a legal point of view. We brought with you with us today the certificate to prove that we've done the necessary with the Ministry of Health.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So we know that's very important.
But
to
in
be able
that
to work
particular
with you.
case, who's going to supply what? Will you be supplying the batteries and?
Yes, of course.
Yeah.
We're going to show you our
Yeah.
products in the next.
So they don't have the exclusivity of the sales of their battery
Oh,
in
no,
Saudi
no,
Arabia.
no, no.
Okay,
We're working with a
we may-
reseller. It was for a
Okay.
bid
Yes,
a couple
yes,
of
it
months
was
ago.
for a bid.
Okay,
yeah.
so we may deal directly with your company if we agree.
Oh yes,
Yes,
of
Okay.
course.
no
I mean, if
problem.
you
We
order
come to the
today,
agreement.
it's
Okay.
today.
We
Yeah,
like to be
crystal
able to
clear.
meet our customers
Okay, then,
ourselves
good,
as we
good.
can. Of course, it's
Okay,
always
all
nicer,
right.
and we
Yeah,
understand
okay.
the needs better. So,
Very good.
what are your expectations in terms of quantities with the?
Well, with the need we have right now is about 250 units, something
Yeah,
like that. We have to recount that, but that's something like 250 units. And we need them as soon as possible.
Yeah, we understood that.
Yeah, we
And
understand.
our staff is basically the people who drive the ambulances and the people who are looking after the people in the ambulances. So we as well wonder about how they're going to be installed and all the maintenance that's going to be made on it.
So today we've come to you with two options. So of course Schiller, that you know and already work with. So we've been reselling Schiller since our very beginning, so 30 years now. So we've got a good partnership with them. So we've got the classical batteries that you all already know, of course. So the Fred Easy, the Fred Easy Port.
Yep.
And they've got a brand new product. I don't know if you've heard about it already. It's the Schiller Perf Plus. So it's a battery that adapts to every single defibrillator, so that's the big advantage of it. And also it's 50% more autonomy than the other batteries.
And you can
up to
deliver
now.
all of these within how many days?
2 days.
Under 2 days.
2 days.
Yeah.
Yeah.
2 days.
That's
2
the
days.
best we can
Okay.
do,
We
2
can't
days.
Have you
Two.
brought any sample?
No, we have no samples with us, but of course, I mean, we would like to be here when you receive all the delivery. And I mean, we really want to stay in here and show you exactly our products. And
Of
how
course, later
soon.
today we could always see. I know we get on really well now with Sadie Maintenance, and maybe we could organise another
meeting with
meeting
them.
later on in the day, and we could see if Riyadh Hospital could lend us a defibrillator so that we could see that together if you really have any concerns. But of course, if you want them as soon as possible, the best is that as soon as we get out of this meeting, we call back in France and they get the product shipped out for.
So does this mean you have all the samples you have and all the units you have them in stock, you keep them in stock?
Yeah,
We've
we've
got
got 300
products in stock of
Okay.
every reference, and we've got 2,500 reference. So
Yeah,
we've
but
got quite a big
if
warehouse.
somebody else places an order today, what's going to happen?
Of course, we can be a priority. We understand the urgency of the situation.
mean,
and
Are you sure about this?
There's
Yes,
no
we're
doubt on
definitely
that.
sure.
I mean, we're a company as well, and if something happens to us like that,
we understand the
understand.
urgency
It's a
of the
big concern,
situation.
you know.
Business,
So
yeah.
we would be
I
a priority.
of course,
Of course,
over any
yeah,
kind
definitely.
Okay. The other ones are not.
Yeah. I like. Yeah.
No, it's just considering the situation.
Right,
That's what we're taking in consideration. We're speaking about people here, so we
And
do
I'm
understand, and
yeah.
we're feeling for you.
And
Okay,
I'm sure our other clients would perfectly also understand. I mean, we're all
Yeah.
in business. We're all
It's
in
all
this
over the
together,
papers, and we
so-
understand that. Of
Right.
course, people understand it's
Right.
a human side of things.
Just one concern, you keep them in stock, so that means they can last in your stock for some months, and
No.
does it impact the quality of the battery at all?
We don't. Basically, batteries are. We assemble assemble our own batteries as well, and we receive. But as you know, working with batteries already, they need to be renewed. So
Yeah, I would expect it's a buffer stock.
yes.
You know,
Yeah.
300 is not that
Yeah.
much.
Yeah.
That
without
many.
putting our company, of course, well, we are leading in France, so batteries don't stay in stock that long
Okay,
anyway
very
with us. So.
Okay,
And-
so you have them in stock.
Yeah,
Then
and
what
I-
else?
Yeah,
Please,
I know you're
because,
really interested in the Schiller, and that's what you've been working with and what you know quality-wise. But I mean, you've called us here today, and we'd like to also present a second option that is something probably that's extremely new for you. It's the Vlad batteries. It's our own batteries, so it's different components that we bring from high-quality end products of Philips, Panasonic, and others that we put together in our factories in France with our know-how and our expertise. And these batteries are, of course, less costly for you. So it all depends on your budget and what you feel with the situation. But of course, these batteries are less costly and also equally similar to the quality of Schiller. Like this is our basic Vlad battery, and this one, for example, is exactly the same specifications as the Schiller Plus, except it's Vlad and of course less expensive because we take components and put them together. And of
Okay.
course, this one is compatible as the Plus with every defibrillator.
All right. So as you
Okay.
understood, it's an emergency for us to
Yeah.
replace them. So what offer could you do to us?
Yeah,
so
price-wise, we
could-
would like to
yeah.
know the difference between the different options. So could you tell us a bit
price-wise,
more?
Yeah, we understood that you also wanted the electrodes.
Yeah.
Because
Right.
everything.
Yeah, we've not mentioned the electrodes
Yeah.
yet. But
So
we
the
have to take them into
advantage-
account.
Yeah, the advantage of going for the Vlad product is that for the Vlad defibrillator battery plus the electrodes, we get to the same price as the Schiller.
If you only bought the
There's
batteries
just
for
the
their
battery on its
electrodes.
own.
Yeah.
So it's like the electrodes come more or less free than if you'd considered
So that's
only
the
the Schiller
interesting
option.
side of
As
this.
long as the quality of your battery is the same than Schiller's.
Oh,
Of
it's
course.
exactly the
Mhm.
same, and we're backed up with a 1-year guarantee on all of our products. So
A 1 year.
yeah.
Like with Schiller, of course.
Yeah.
1 year. No, it's not a lot.
Well,
we would
well,
expect
it-
at least.
yeah.
Yeah.
You're talking
Of
about
course,
the quality of it, but you
yes,
only
yes.
warranty
Yeah,
for 1 year?
Yeah, for 1 year. 1 year.
Exactly the same as Schiller do themselves as well, and that's what we've got with Schiller
We
as
would
well.
expect. Maybe we would expect to change the batteries every 2 years or something.
Well, the
So,
advantage with the new
At least
batteries is
you would have to last long enough.
I mean, we've been
Is there any room for discussion?
well, actually,
We
we've
could see
been
what-
working to the last 30 years with main companies in France and in Europe, and we're really, we have now people coming back to us and buying them again, and it's been 30 years that they're renewing with Vlad
Yeah,
batteries.
so you feel
we've
extremely
had-
confident.
We
So
do.
maybe you can
Otherwise we
offer
wouldn't
a
do
2
this
years
today.
warranty.
Yeah, I think
this
we'll
is
see
what
what
we
we
would
can do
expect.
maybe later on in the meeting. yeah.
Depending on also
Okay,
how much you want to
okay.
order and if you want to go for
Alright.
Vlad or Schiller.
The quantity has been confirmed.
Yeah, it
It's
was
about
250.
250.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Well, let's talk about the price then. Tell us what you can do to
So
fill our need.
if we go for the Vlad batteries and the Vlad electrodes, we're at 49,400 euros. And if we go for the Schiller
You're
battery,
Speaking
talking
unit
in,
price,
yeah.
Speaking
In
unit
unit
price,
prices?
yeah.
Unit price, and maybe in dollars because we do never pay in euros.
Yeah.
do you pay in the currency from here, Ryan?
No,
US
USD.
dollars.
US dollars?
Yes.
We
Okay.
don't actually have the conversion. We've got the Saudi Arabia conversion. I don't have internet here.
Just
to
do the
get
dollars.
Okay.
If you can do
You
US
don't
dollars.
have. Yeah, but she
Yeah,
doesn't
I don't-
have.
we don't
she
have the
doesn't
conversions on us. We only
Okay,
prepare
really
the
sorry.
Saudi Arabian.
Alright.
I'm
Oh,
really
yeah,
sorry
you
about
just
that.
Saudi
We
Arabia,
thought it
okay.
would.
Let's
either
carry
be-
on in euros.
Alright.
We will
Yeah,
convert.
as it was
Really
either
sorry.
Europe or, of course.
Okay.
Okay, that's fine.
Please.
So sorry about that. In euros, we're at 49,400 for the Vlad battery and the Vlad electrodes. And the unit price would be for the electrodes and the battery would be 197.6 euros. So for the battery its own, it's 160.55, and for the electrodes 37.05. And for the Schiller battery, the Perf Plus, the new one, would be 208.05, and for the
Hang on a second. Say it again.
208 euros 0.5 cents, and the electrodes would be 46.45 euros.
Is it an ex-works price or
Sorry?
what about the Incoterm?
How do we pay? How do you
No,
deliver?
yeah, and how? Yeah, I mean,
terms
okay.
and condition. Okay.
Terms.
So it's under 30 days for every first partnership at least.
Yeah, yeah, but my question regards the shipment. So do we have to pay anything for the shipment
Yes.
or
Yeah, for the shipment, for 2 days it's 700 euros.
700 euros?
Yeah.
It's quite
So
it's
that
quite a lot.
Quite expensive, yeah.
It's quite,
To
yeah.
ship.
Yes. Well, that's the 2-day delivery because you want it so urgent. It's so important for you. Otherwise, there's a 3-day, but I don't think that's
How
going to be
how do
very
you send
expensive.
the goods?
Air
By
freight FedEx.
yeah.
Okay.
And 3 days would be 400. So, but then I think if you really want something urgent and quick, 2 days would probably be more appropriate. You can't leave these batteries.
Then
Makes
of course,
sense,
understanding this situation, if we pass the call as soon as we get out of here, the lorries can be sent tonight, and we might get chances of getting the flights in by the end of tomorrow, so a bit less
Okay.
than 2
Okay,
days.
to be
So,
confirmed, yeah.
basically, you told us that's a global budget, let's say, of 50,000 euros, roughly.
If we go for the Vlad products, yes. If we
Okay.
go for the Schiller
Shipment.
products, it's a bit high. The price is going to be a bit higher.
Because as you understood, it's an emergency for us, and it's an unexpected cost that
Yeah,
we
of
have to
course.
face. So how could we find a deal for this specific order, just this order, that it's better for
Well,
us?
Of course, you have
First-
to understand.
Yes,
it.
and first, what are your feelings about this? Are you more for the first or the second option with Vlad? Because we can do, of course, maybe a nicer
A gesture for the first
for
order,
the
yeah.
Vlad, because it's our products, and we can do that. Schiller, we can't do as much.
Don't have as
gesture
much flexibility, of course.
because, of course,
do have
we're
to understand.
reseller.
Right, let's go
We need
this
a
way. If
win-win
you extend the
situation,
warranty
don't
of the Vlad to 2 years,
Yeah.
yeah,
okay.
that
we
would
could
be a
work
key
with the Vlad.
condition, definitely.
For 250 products, would you be interested in a partnership with us on a long term, or is it just a one?
Of course we are. We're
Okay.
hoping to do many more, orders from you. But we need, right now we have an emergency.
Yeah.
We need to buy some
Yeah.
I think
units.
that's something we understand, especially with the urgency and the situation that you've been through. So I think that's something that we can work on together. And of course, it is a win-win situation for both of
Yeah.
us in business. So
Yeah. What
Same
concerns me also is about payment terms. Can we
Okay.
talk about payment terms?
Yeah, of course, it's under 30 days.
So
30 days. What do you mean by 30 days?
So if we take the order today, the payment has to be under 30 days. So in 30 days' time at the moment of order.
that's something that's
Order.
very important in
and
our
if we
policy.
never get the order,
Oh, well, of course you'll get it. I
yeah,
mean,
okay,
it's-
maybe
It's our
invoice
condition.
would make sense to me.
Yes,
Yeah, of course.
we,
Yeah.
Of course, as you have
30
to
days
understand-
is really too short. This is, you are in Saudi Arabia here, and we never deal within 30 days. So it's really impossible.
Well, actually, it's our policy. I mean, we have no control on that. It's really
It's
our
something we really insist on, working worldwide with countries worldwide. And we do understand, of course, the
have
urgency.
to adapt
the
yourself
urgency.
to, okay, we are.
it's really,
well, you'll
it's
really
the
have to make an
policy.
effort on the price then if we
Yes.
if we have
Yeah.
to,
Okay, that can be
put out-
something we
Okay.
can maybe discuss. So if we go for 250 batteries and Vlad electrodes,
Yeah.
plus
Considering that we have guaranteed
them
the
2
And
years,
that's
that's
2
something
years,
you
yeah.
really...
once.
Okay.
That's quite a big
Mhm. 1 year.
something for us.
One
It's
more
something
year.
that we're really
Mhm.
not used to doing, of course.
And we would go down maybe on the
On the
shipment.
shipment,
So we said down
we
to
could do an effort on the
500.
shipment,
Yeah.
We could
Well,
do
we
the
would
shipment
prefer to talk
500.
about the price of the unit and
Oh, okay,
discuss.
you'd like
yeah,
to.
yes.
Well, we've already got quite a bit of a...
Of course, with the scale economy, we've
Mhm.
already gone down 5% on the original price of the unit.
Mhm.
So that's already quite interesting.
Yeah.
Then of course, we do understand, with the urgency, we could make an effort on the total at the end of price. So we could do an extra 3% on the end price.
But we won't... I mean, this is first partnership. We'd really like it to work. And then, of course, further along, we can, when we discuss again and have new meetings and you order other things and we really have a partnership, then we can discuss maybe like more...
Well, we work
more
the opposite
gesture.
way around. I mean, if we work with you, that's because you convinced us
Yes.
today that we
Yeah, of
can
course,
quickly
understand.
solve that problem
But I mean,
with a cheap price.
Yes, but I'm
Yeah,
kind
I
of...
apologize. I don't want to interrupt and to be a pain, but
Yeah.
we're going to have
Yeah.
another meeting within 5 minutes.
Okay.
And again, my apologize too. We have to talk to different potential suppliers.
Of course, we understand.
So we thank you very much for your visit, but we don't want to make a decision right now.
Are you sure that these 7%, I mean,
The
there's
decision
not
will be
much-
made probably within 3 hours because it's really urgent. But
Yes.
yes, please consider we have to take the relevant decision.
Shall we
Yes,
just
we
write this down for you, for at least you to have the
Some proof and
proof and to
Please.
also compare to the other?
Absolutely, please do.
Absolutely, yeah.
And we'd like to be able to see you if you have any hesitations, of course, call, don't hesitate, send an email.
How long will you be staying in
We're
here?
going to stay at least 3 days.
Yeah.
3 days,
So-
okay.
Mhm.
So
we
we keep
can
in
just
touch.
book a meeting now and see
Okay.
tomorrow.
Yeah.
But I think if it's urgent, I mean, we need to call also our warehouse and prepare this order.
Yeah,
So
that's,
I think
that's
that
the
we
reason
should
why
want them
I'm
as soon as
saying we should
possible.
be
Can you do the...
yeah,
Because I
be
really
in a
think...
position to confirm our decision within later on.
Would you
yeah.
confirm for the Vlad products then, if we were doing this partnership?
Yeah, make us an offer with
Yeah.
what you
Okay.
said before.
Yeah, with the 2 options.
And so the price is really something that, I mean, that's what's making you not making the choice right now? Or is there other things to take into account?
Well, you have to consider what it is to, take 50,000 euros out
I know,
of,
yeah,
of
I
your
understand.
bank
And
account.
I know.
yes, again, it's
I know.
very much an expected expense.
Yes.
So and we don't really know your company.
Yeah.
So we need to think about and take a look at your proposal after discussion,
Yeah,
having
of course.
had a discussion together.
We can also leave you our different certifications of ISO. So this one, for
Yeah,
example, is medical
okay.
use. You can
Thank you
have a
for
look
that.
at all that for our background check about our company.
Okay,
Um,
we'll take references. Thank you.
So that would be good.
Okay.
So it's really the price that's not
Okay, we
as well.
guess we now have to come to the conclusion.
Yes, of course.
I'd like to thank you.
So, of course, we would do the 3% extra on the total that we were speaking about.
Yeah, this is
Mhm.
minimum what we would expect.
But we've already got the 500 from the scale 5%, sorry, from the scale economy, so it's like more about 7%.
Okay.
Okay.
It's not just it's 3% on the global price, but you've also got the scale economy that you mustn't forget. It's the 5%
Understood.
on the
Yeah,
other
definitely.
things.
So we'll leave this with
Okay.
you so that you can study it.
Okay.
Good stuff.
Thank you for coming to us, and
Well,
yeah,
we'll,
thank
we'll
you
be
very
back
much
in touch with you
Through all
shortly.
this.
Thank
Yes,
you for
I hope
having
we'll have
us.
some news.
Thank you.
Thank you.
you.
Nice to meet you.
Hello, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Mrs. Olayan.
Have a seat, please.
Thank you.
All right, thank you for coming. I really appreciate the emergency of this call and the fact that you came very quickly, so thank you.
You're welcome.
And you have understood a little bit of our problem, so maybe we'll start by listening to you and the solution you can provide,
Okay.
and then we'll answer any questions you may have.
Understood. So our interview is going to last 20 minutes. We are going to ask you some questions. And
Can you speak louder because I cannot hear you well? Please?
yeah, great. Our interview is going to last 20 minutes.
Yes.
We are going to present the company, but our products first. So
You contacted us in emergency in order to achieve the replacement of
Yeah, it was last Saturday night.
yeah,
So
of every
Yeah.
damaged battery
okay.
that need to be replaced in this industrial center.
Yeah.
So we know you want the highest quality standards with a lower cost and something that will be provided really quickly. So we are here today to find a solution.
Who told you this? Because I feel like I was in contact with some of your
Yeah.
colleagues, a young man. What did he report to you exactly?
So we understand that the situation was tragic and imminent.
Absolutely, there were hundreds of people who died.
yeah.
100 of people. Wow.
Yeah, it's a
Yeah,
nightmare.
Big drama.
Okay. So should we try to ask some question in order to understand what you expect from
Of
us
course,
right now?
of course, because I would prefer because the guy, Mr. What's his name? I can't remember. The guy I talked to when I phoned last Saturday. Your colleague?
Thomas, yeah.
Yeah, Thomas. Yes.
Right.
Since he's not here, I would like to make sure everybody knows about the situation. So
Okay.
yeah.
So do they still have electricity in this industrial center right now?
Yes, they do.
Yeah, they do.
Okay, so it didn't affect all the electric system.
Let me just summarize the situation
Yeah,
very quickly, so
maybe.
I'm sure you
Yeah.
understood. So there was an explosion in the industrial center.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
And we run an ambulance company, so we had to come and do the rescues.
Okay.
And in our ambulance, each ambulance has a defibrillator in it.
Okay.
And so because we used all of them, now they are damaged, and now they need to be
Okay.
Yes.
refurbished. So that's what happened.
So we need to replace the batteries.
The batteries of the
And the
defibrillators.
Yeah,
Right.
absolutely.
Okay. So I was wondering what kind of damage have been caused? Like, is it just the electrode on the battery, or is there other components that have
Yeah,
been?
they've just been overused, so they've been
Okay.
used,
Yeah.
again and again, and now we have to make sure that they work correctly for the future.
Okay. So how many batteries and electrode are you looking
About
to replace?
250.
Okay.
Okay, and in these urgency situations, when do you want to have the order?
You mean to get the batteries in here?
Yes.
We would say maximum by this is Thursday today, maximum by 5 days to
Okay.
in here.
Okay.
So it's definitely a maximum. So we would like to listen to you about what you can
Yes.
suggest.
And what is your first requirements for the batteries? Like the low prices
That they
or
work?
the
Efficient.
good coins?
We're not talking about prices yet, so we'd like to
Yes.
talk
No.
about
The autonomy or
You know, we are a user. Basically, we are an ambulance company, so we
Yeah.
want to make sure that the defibrillator that's in the ambulance, when we need it, it works.
Works.
That's
Okay.
that's
Yeah,
what we want. We don't know how we're going to install the batteries. We don't know how to replace them. We don't know anything about the technical side of it.
We'll
We
do
just
this
want
for
them to
you.
work.
Okay, so we have actually two solutions that could be great for you. The first one is the flat battery.
yeah.
So the really good thing about this battery is that these battery are compatible with every defibrillator, so you won't have any problem. You will be sure that it will work.
Okay.
They are made up of highly reliable components, such as Panasonic and Philips. So it will be perfect adaptability, and it will work for sure. We also have another option, but it's a straighter battery. It's the latest innovation, and you have more autonomy. But in this emergency situation, I think you just need efficiency and try to have prices that are still quite low.
Right.
Okay. Can you talk about the warranties?
1 year life warranty for the flat batteries.
1 year.
Yeah.
1 year, yeah.
So they only work 1 year?
No.
Of course not.
wa-
The warranty will be 1 year, and because this quality is really good, you won't have any problem, even 2 years after. So
We are sure that
But you're not very
it's,
confident about it, otherwise you would increase the warranty, right?
I mean, we could, but it's about just the policy of the company.
policy.
So
Yeah, but
company
this,
policy.
can this be taken into consideration because we know we have to replace batteries every 2 years or something like this. So we would like to have maybe 2 years warranty minimum.
minimum. Okay.
Yeah.
We will call.
maybe,
Yeah.
yeah.
So what
Quite
we will
difficult,
what
but
we will do is we will try, but we are not sure of anything yet. So we
Yes.
will call the company and ask them
Right.
what they
after-
can do
right
for
after,
you.
Yes, after the meeting. if you
Yeah,
want
just
to.
after the meetings.
Okay.
We will send you an email just after the answer to let you know about this.
All right. Okay.
What about, we as I told you, we don't know anything about how it works and everything. We just know how to use the device. So could you supply a team to install them in our ambulances and
Yes,
things
of
like that?
course. So we have a team there in Saudi Arabia,
Yes.
and for free we
for
will.
free we
For
will
free?
Yeah,
Okay.
it's
the
it's included.
installation.
Yeah, but what is for free?
The installation,
The installation.
because you need 250 units.
Mhm.
We can send you.
And you said they would be cheap, right? That's what you said
Yeah.
earlier?
Yeah, I mean
okay.
cheaper than the Shriller, obviously.
I mean, we've not talked about
We
prices.
haven't talked about price yet, but
Yeah,
that's
so
it's good to know that we can get them for cheap
yeah,
and for free installation. That's good.
yeah, that's exciting. Yes.
So should we talk about the
So
prices?
Yes, please present
Yes,
us what you
please
could
do.
supply.
Okay. So, assuming that you need 250 defibrillator,
Yes.
do you need the same amount of electrodes?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, I assume
We
it's not
we
one.
don't need.
Yeah.
We need batteries. 250 batteries
So we
and
have
200 and I mean
Sets of
the.
electrodes, yeah.
Okay. Yes.
okay.
For sure, because there are two.
I believe, yeah.
Two electrodes per battery.
Yeah, so you
Okay, that's your job.
so you will,
Please confirm.
you will need 500 electrodes because you have two electrodes for.
I don't know, do they come into a set or it's individual piece, the
I
electrode?
think it's individual piece.
Yeah. If
Okay.
you can check for
Individual
us.
piece.
Yeah,
Because,
we,
yeah.
will,
Yes.
we will
Okay.
put this in the email as well.
Okay.
All right.
Actually, we are
So
buyers who do not so much about electrodes, do we?
Yeah, we just know how to use the device. That's all we know.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good enough, I guess. So, 500 electrodes.
So you want to have 250 Vlad batteries. Which batteries actually, like the Vlad batteries or the chill batteries?
It's
Because-
difficult to make a choice. What's the price?
The cheapest one right now is the
The
Vlad Eco Plus. So the efficiency is equal.
Is equal, like it's the same quality of products, and yeah,
It will be just a little bit less durable. But in
Mhm.
your case, you need something quick, efficient.
quickly
And
for the
Do
emergency.
you have a buffer stock? Do you have the batteries in stock?
we have up to
300 batteries in
You
stock.
have, yeah.
Mhm.
so we can provide you 250
No,
with that.
three,
We have
300.
300 in stock.
300.
So we have
stock.
the 250
Okay,
and the
very
same
good.
for the
Okay.
electrodes.
So why should we choose the cheapest one then?
Because we understood that you were looking for a good price.
For a good price, but also because it's the same quality as the chiller batteries.
Okay. Okay.
So
So what's the difference between them then?
You mean between the two Vlad's batteries or between the Schwiller and
The Vlad and the Schillers.
the chiller
To make more
batteries
money on the Schiller's one?
Actually, it's
Actu-
about
the autonomy, like
The
it's
autonomy.
it's
Okay.
50% of more autonomy
so with
for
this
the
one,
chiller battery.
with this one, you will be able to postpone the time when you will need to replace it. So it's really good as well.
So it seems you can definitely answer, give us a 2 years warranty because this is
We will
again
try.
something we would expect from you.
Of course, we will
Okay.
try. We'll do our
Yeah.
best. Actually.
What about the payment terms? You understood that it's a big emergency for us and it's an unexpected cost. So
Yes,
how should
course.
we? Can we talk about the payment terms? Could you
Yes, of
grant
course.
us with some time to pay you because we don't have that much cash to take out of our bank account to pay a supplier because it's so unexpected.
It's 30 days. The payment term is 30 days.
30
at
days.
the time of
The-
What do
order.
you mean? Time of order.
Yes. So you will need
If
to.
we
30
never get
yeah.
the order,
We will do the
Yeah,
order
but-
now.
And it's 30 days end of month, right?
Yes,
Okay.
it
Yeah.
is.
Okay. Is that enough for us? I'm not sure.
I mean, it seems that maybe it's probably a French habit or whatever. I don't know. But here in Saudi Arabia, we never pay before 90 days, do we?
No, never.
Never.
Okay. What should we do then? Should we contact
Contact the
our
company
Okay.
And how do you want us to pay?
by the
bank
bank
transfer.
transfer.
Say again?
By a bank transfer.
Yeah.
So yeah, like cash or bank transfer will be the more
Okay.
efficient
The
option.
more efficient. So what do you think about it? About the batteries?
Well, we need to see an offer.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
know?
Okay.
yes,
Well,
yes. Can
I
you-
would advise you to take the Vlad Eco Plus batteries, Vlad XL batteries, because they are the cheaper batteries actually.
Mm-hmm.
So, which means that you want 250 batteries.
Hopefully, we are not going to buy cheap quality because you talk
No.
about having cheap products.
cheap
but-
prices, but not cheap quality.
I mean, we can move on the Shriller if you think it's safe, because I think your defibrillator are made of are going with the Shriller batteries.
with the Shriller
Maybe I'd like you to quote the two options because I'm not
Okay.
sure the quality of the battery you produce in France is that good. Not so sure about this.
I mean, it's
So-
the components are not always produced in France. For example, for Panasonic, they are produced in the country in England, and they are just assembled in
Oh,
France.
Oh.
okay.
We're feeling
Good.
a lot better now.
Yes, much better. Yeah. If it's not in France, then okay, can make sense.
Donc ça c'est pour XL. Pour la
So actually, for the Vlad XL batteries, it will cost 37,750 euros.
Euros.
What discounts
Yeah.
do you give on that? Because all of our suppliers give us a discount on the price they give.
What do they give you actually?
It depends on the equipment, depends on the quantity.
But here we have a big quantity, and it's a matter. I mean,
That's
it's
true.
really an unexpected expense, so
I know.
it's difficult for us to pay. I mean, we can definitely pay, but we would like you to share the effort.
We can make a discount about the shipping cost, because the shipping cost is 400 euros.
Yeah.
But
Actually, I think you want it as quick as possible.
Yes.
So we
Absolutely.
we
so
have
we have the
another
faster delivery. It's 700 euros.
We work with a Swiss company already, and they
Okay.
provide us with 15-20% discount on each order, something
Yeah,
like that.
they do.
Okay.
Could you
We never
compete with
talk
that?
about shipment.
Yes.
I mean, yeah, we talk about shipment, but we never pay for shipment.
Yeah.
I don't think so.
Okay.
Everything is included, so yeah.
We can include the
Yeah.
shipment as well,
Yeah.
but we cannot do a big discount on that because we are already way cheaper than our competitors.
yes.
On the market, so
All right.
we
Yeah,
can't.
we are the cheapest because we are really big. We do economy of scale, so we will guarantee you the best price.
But can you
compared-
beat the 15-20% discount?
Oh, we can't.
No,
Not at all.
Mm-hmm.
The maximum we can do is 5% discount
5%
on this
discount
order.
on this.
Unfortunately.
5%.
So if we sum up, what is your best offer?
So if we sum up, you would like to order 250 Vlad XL battery. So it will be 37,750 euros
Mhm.
Yes.
plus the defibrillator electrodes. So you'd
Mhm.
like
That-
500.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
So it will be 500 times 250.
Yes.
So it will be 125,000 euros. So, ça plus ça. Plus 100.
So actually,
So does it sound good to you right now? Do you think?
We need to think about, we have only 2 to 3 minutes left, so we would like to come to the conclusion of this meeting.
Okay.
We're going to meet some other suppliers, potential suppliers. Maybe we are happy to deal with your company,
Okay.
but we need, okay, it's a French company, so we don't know.
To think about
You
it.
won't
Yeah,
be
we need to
disappointed.
think about it.
You won't be disappointed. Actually, the price right now is 162,750 euros. We can do the maximum we can do with a 5% discount on this.
Shipment included, right?
Shipment
Shipment
included.
included.
And it will be the really fast shipment.
Yes.
The fastest we can do with FedEx is only 2 days delivery.
And 2 years warranty.
Sorry?
The 2 years
We
for the
will
work.
call our company for that.
Oh,
Yeah.
we are not sure yet for that.
Yeah.
You have to confirm.
Yes,
Yes.
we
Okay.
will
We'll
send you
contact
all the details.
Good. Okay.
So if we were to choose the Schiller one, you would do as well a 5% discount on it?
We cannot do any discount because we are only a reseller on the Schiller battery.
Yeah.
So if we do a discount, it will be only on the flat battery.
Vlad batteries.
Okay.
Okay, ladies, we have to come to the conclusion. So,
Okay.
So
how long will you be staying here in
1 week.
the city? 1 week.
Yes.
Good.
So if you need to think about this, we can fix another appointment.
We won't have time. The decision will be made probably later on today.
Okay.
Yes.
So should we do
So-
something today?
It's up to you.
Okay. So should we do the Vlad battery? So we do the 250 Vlad battery and the 500 electrodes. Sounds good to you right now?
Probably I would be happy to confirm when you get get back to your hotel. I don't know what's your program now, but of course we've had a discussion. I think it's clear now, or clear enough. So please, the ball is in your court now. Please confirm your best possibilities. Again, I understood you had to call the office.
Yes.
So, okay.
So do you take in consideration that all the installation will be for free there?
Yeah,
And it
you've
will
not
be really quick.
said much about installation. That's quite interesting. So, one word maybe.
So
Who's
we
going
have
to do it? How it's going to be made? How we can be reassured that it's going to be made the right way?
Yeah. So we have a really
contacts that can make the installation on just like
on the side.
yeah
You have a
Maybe.
contact. You said
We have a team
Contacts,
actually.
yeah.
We
you have a team. Okay,
In
is
the
it a French
city.
team?
No,
Or
they're
no.
from Saudi Arabia.
Oh, okay.
But they speak a good English, so.
Yeah. Okay. Good. Good
Well,
stuff.
if they speak Arabic, we're in the same country, so that's fine. All right. Well, okay. And when can they be installed then? If you ship them?
So the shipment will be it will take 2 days.
2
So
days,
let's say it's 3 days to
By
be sure that
FedEx.
it will be there, and they will install it right away. Like
So,
few
how long
days.
will it last? I mean,
4
we're talking
days.
about
So the
installation.
total-
4 days.
No, the installation is only 1 day because they just have to replace the battery.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
Okay. Good.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you very much for your offer. We'll come back to you when we've made a decision.
Okay, thank you so
We'll
much.
come back to you when we get the offer.
Yeah.
Thank you, ladies.
Thank you.
C'est très bien les filles. Très bien, très bien. Merci beaucoup. Merci beaucoup.
very good, but we're just going to wait for my colleague who's just
Okay.
behind you.
Okay. Sorry.
Thank you.
Sorry.
No problem.
Thank you, sirs. So welcome.
Thank you very much. So can we use our laptops and other stuff to put here?
As
Sure.
a support.
So my name is Paul Mathan from Vlad.
Mm-hmm.
Here is my colleague, Arthur Chardon.
Nice to
We
meet you.
both are export sales representative.
Okay, thank you.
So we are delighted to be here today, and we would like to thank you for taking the time to meet us. And we are looking for a strong partnership.
So following our last conversation, I would like to remind you that today's meeting's purpose is to reach an agreement and to talk about our products, your needs, and about the urgency of this situation.
Could you kind of recap what you've understood of our situation, so we're sure that
We are sorry about what happened, the explosion, and we know that you need to replace all the defibrillators of your ambulance.
And electrodes as
Yes.
well.
Mm-hmm.
So we hope nothing was wrong about the incident, nothing damaged.
Well, many things were damaged.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but no one injured, maybe.
Oh,
People
there
were
were
injured as
people
well.
are-
That's why
Hundreds
we
of
were
I'm
people.
called.
sorry, I'm sorry to
Yeah.
hear that.
Mhm.
Okay.
yeah, maybe you heard.
Yeah, we
But
heard
what
about it.
yeah,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
Take a look on
Re-
YouTube.
Really
yeah.
bad, yeah.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, sure. All right, so first of all, I'm sure you know Vlad. Vlad is a company that provides medical equipment in many countries. We have been exporting for 4 years now in 44 countries
Mhm.
in Europe and in the Middle East. We are currently working with Saudi Arabia with Saudi Maintenance.
What's that? This company?
Saudi Maintenance.
I've never heard about them.
Yeah,
They are a reseller who provide equipment, medical equipment,
Yes.
for the main hospital of Riyadh, for example.
Okay, so,
So we are already
they are
working-
your dealers. They buy from you.
yes,
Yeah.
yes, they do. They buy batteries
Okay.
and other stuff,
So they distribute your products in Saudi Arabia.
Yes,
Yeah.
yeah, sure.
So
Yeah.
should we make it clear, because do we have to talk to this company, or do we have to talk to your company? Your company?
No,
No,
you are talking
yeah,
to
our
our company,
company.
to Vlad.
Yeah.
We
Yeah.
are selling you
There's no.
We just add business with them.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
just some other business. But we know the
No exclusive agreement with
No,
this
no, no,
company.
no, no,
no.
of course
We
not,
don't
no,
take any risk if we
No.
talk to you.
No, no,
No.
no.
Okay.
Of
No.
course, of course.
Good.
About the medical market, we've been working with over 1,500 hospitals and clinics.
Yes. In
Um,
Saudi Arabia.
No, in France. In
Ah.
France. My bad. Thanks to 150 public agreements, and we also are working with paramedical suppliers
Uh-huh.
and maintenance company.
Okay.
we have some certifications like
What for?
ISO certification as well as a certification from the Ministry of Health
Yeah,
of
okay.
Saudi Arabia. I can show you the paper if you
Uh-huh.
like.
That's important for us. Thank you.
Yes,
And we also have SASO
Yeah.
SASO certification
by
provided
Intertech,
by Intertech France.
Mhm.
if you would like to
Mhm.
see.
Okay.
So that the ISO and those two papers, they show the quality of our products and yeah,
The quality, the reliability. Yeah.
And what about warranties? No? Is there anything about that?
No.
Okay.
All right.
We'll talk about this later.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
So if you don't mind, we'd like to hear to know a little bit more about your needs in
For sure.
batteries and
Sure.
electrodes.
Yeah.
So how have you come to know Vlad?
Yeah.
We took a look. We've got a list of different suppliers, and we actually, to be honest, we usually work with a company that is located in Lausanne. Yeah.
Okay.
And for that particular job, we'll probably not be in a position to work with this company because they're not able to supply as a matter of emergency.
Okay.
So this is true. We took a look at the website, your
Yeah, sure,
website,
sure.
and Thomas then got in touch with you last Saturday.
Yeah, sure.
And that's the reason why we thought it would be good to
best
organize this
solution.
meeting
Okay.
today. And we
Actually
thank
good.
you for being here.
Okay. Yeah.
We
Okay.
don't know so much about your company,
Okay.
but probably we would like to come to the main purpose of
Okay,
this
sure.
visit.
Sure. So how many defibrillators need to be replaced?
250.
Okay, very good. We actually have 300 pieces in stock, so
In your
for this lab.
warehouse?
Yes,
Yes,
in
actually we
France.
only have 300 stock of each reference.
Okay. So any battery that we will talk about will be available if we order.
Oh yes,
Yeah.
Okay.
they will be
we place the
available
order.
for you.
What if you get a
Okay.
big order tomorrow from somebody else?
At the time you take the order right now,
Mhm.
like that stock will be prioritized for
Yes,
you, you know.
because
So there
you
won't
are
be any
our
problems
priority
right now.
regarding the
Okay.
situation.
It depends
Okay.
on the order, you know.
So you consider
make.
us as a very important customer
Yes.
then?
Yes.
That's why we're here today.
Okay, very good.
Is there a particular brand that needs to be thought of?
Well, you know, the distributors are the defibrillators. Sorry, are the Schiller brand.
Yeah.
You probably
Okay.
know it.
Yeah.
We like this brand. The batteries are reliable, but
Yeah, we know this brand. Yeah. So
Yeah,
we're
very good.
quite keen on buying some at a good price.
We like to
Yeah.
buy that
So
brand.
keep it that way, you know. Okay, very good.
So we
Did-
keep it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
At least get the
you
same
like to
quality.
keep it that way.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Very good. So, what specific requests would you have about, the batteries and electrodes? Just the same brands for the batteries, but what about the electrodes?
We have several requests. The first one, it needs to be replaced immediately.
Okay.
We don't know anything about how to replace them, so we need
Okay.
somebody to come and to
Yeah.
do it for us.
Okay.
We are an ambulance company. We have no idea of
Okay,
the technical
sure,
side of it. Then it needs also to be reliable.
Okay.
It's going to be in the ambulances. We
Okay.
can't have a device that doesn't work. So we need a long warranty on that.
Sure.
A good quality, of course, and price is as well an issue. And we need
Okay.
to. It's an unexpected cost for us to have to
For
replace so
sure,
many
for sure,
units.
yeah.
So we need a very big offer for you, a very good offer.
We understand.
Okay,
We
very
understand.
Tell us a bit
So-
more about what you can offer.
Okay, I'm gonna give you a catalog.
Okay.
If you like, I'm gonna show you. So here you have
Schiller's products.
the Schiller's products.
Yes,
With the references?
that's the one we probably know. Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, we are not so familiar with the products, but it rings a bell to me. Sheila, yeah.
Mhm. Yeah,
So
yeah,
you,
I think I've
yeah,
heard
that's
that
the one
before.
we bought in the
Okay.
past. Yes. Okay.
Okay, very good. And that's about Vlad's batteries as well, and the electrodes and the
Schiller
batteries.
products. Yeah.
So now we're going to talk to you about the offer that we can do,
Mhm.
that we can make. So a defibrillator works that way. We have the defibrillator, we have the main batteries, we have
Electrodes. And
electrodes
we have
as well.
a second battery. We'll take the lead just in case if there is a problem.
All
Yeah.
right.
And you
okay.
told us that there were an explosion, and we are surprised that the safety battery couldn't work. I don't know. Normally, when something
I don't know
happens,
either.
when something happens to the main battery, there is
Yeah.
a second one that takes the lead, as my colleague said. So
Well, it's not that they don't work anymore. It's just the equipment that has been used so much
okay.
that
Yeah,
you know we need to put them back new.
okay,
Yeah.
very good.
To renew, yeah.
Okay, very good.
Yes, so
Yeah.
they work again.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. So we have like an offer that is the main battery, the safety battery, and the electrodes that could, be.
It will be
Suitable
interesting
for
for
you.
you to buy one of each product, of each reference. One
To taste them.
one battery,
Yeah.
one electrode, and one defibrillator's battery. It will be safer for your
Yes,
company.
so that you have like a really good offer
Yeah.
and
and we will be able to make a good
a
offer.
We
complementary
could buy the whole
offer.
catalog. That would be a lot safer.
Yeah.
No,
Yeah.
not all the references.
Oh, okay.
Just
Amazing.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Okay, very good.
Do
One
you
more
have
thing.
any recommendation? Because I feel a bit lost.
Of course.
Can we? Yeah.
What we
What should
could.
we choose?
So you told us that you wanted a Schiller one because you are used to it and you are
We
like.
said
That's the
we
whole
s-
we know.
That's
Okay.
all. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
That's the only
So
one we know.
They are good. We each product we sell, we have a 1 year guarantee with it.
1 year.
Yeah, 1 year guarantee. Like.
And we
I
can
guess.
we can provide an extra year guarantee
Oh yeah.
if you
Yeah,
have.
but
5
yeah.
years or something.
We will be able to talk about it like after the purchase, but you know.
Well, no, we want to talk about it before the
Yeah,
purchase.
sure.
Yeah.
Sure.
That can be part of the.
And
We-
it's,
we
you know,
could-
the
we
purchase
could-
will
we
come
could-
soon. I mean, we have to replace them immediately, and they have to be delivered soon. So
Okay. We could extend it for 2 years,
Yeah.
but we also have a partner in Riyadh.
Yes.
It's Batteries 2.0, and they have actually 50 pieces of each reference we have in
Yeah.
stock. So
Alright.
if you're in an emergency,
Yes.
we could
Ask them
actually
to.
Yeah.
Okay.
They will be
Yeah.
able to
When?
to
come
give it
to
to
you.
you like
but at which
anytime.
price? At which price should we buy it from them?
The same price as we
That-
could.
without
that
without the
means-
shipment cost.
Mhm.
Without
Yes, but
without
that
the
means they buy
shipment
them
cost.
cheaper from you, because I don't think they work for free, right?
No, sure, but we
We-
have
we
like
pay
an
them,
agreement
yeah.
on something.
Well, let's do the same agreement then.
Yeah,
Let's
we
do that.
we do.
Okay.
Okay.
No, but you could gain from it because you wouldn't have to wait like I don't know 2 or 3 days.
Yeah.
You would have it like
Interesting.
immediately.
Yeah.
the
Mhm.
day right after, you know. Then
okay.
you would be able to use it.
Mhm.
And they
Uh,
will take care of everything.
Yeah.
Because that's what you wanted. So
Yeah, they
I
will
think
take care of
that's better.
the maintenance, the installation,
yeah.
The
and
maintenance.
yeah, sure.
Yeah. Okay.
And
Installation first, maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mhm.
and they would be able to answer any questions about the batteries.
That's very much appreciated.
Yeah.
It is. It
Yeah,
is.
it is.
Yeah. Okay.
Could you make an offer to us?
Yeah.
Okay, so
Price wise, where are we?
so I have like I don't know if you can see,
Yeah, we can.
but I put the quantity
Yeah.
and about what you want, and then there is the price calculated. Sorry about it. So how many
250. Yes.
about the Schiller one, the main, because there are several batteries, you know, but several Schiller batteries.
There is
So
many
let's-
references.
Let's say
So which one do we remember? Which one?
But which one
I'm
do we
not
use?
the
We're
expert.
an ambulance company. We
Oh.
don't know anything
Yeah,
about it.
there
again-
is there is one that is actually better than the others.
They are all the same, more or less. So
This is
All the same, or one is
no,
better?
No, I'm going to explain to you. This is the Schiller PF Plus.
Yes.
It offers a 50% extra autonomy.
Yeah.
The battery. That means that you can postpone the replacement, like the replacement of the battery,
Mhm.
so that it can last longer.
That seems interesting, but we will have an issue. You know, as you understood, it was an unexpected event that happened. You know,
Yeah,
to have to
sure,
replace so many batteries so quickly.
Yeah.
You know, we don't have so many cash to
Yes.
give you right
Yeah.
now. So how can we
Yeah.
work that
I'm
out?
And
gonna
this has
simulate.
to
I'm
meet,
gonna do a simulation
yeah,
if you
Our
like.
budget, really.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
you know we'll be able to do something at the end.
Yeah.
Like
All
the-
right,
like-
please make a
Good.
simulation then.
like,
Yes,
can I
thank you.
discount?
250.
Yes,
So
250.
250.
Distributor's battery.
Oh, it's a
250.
good. Yeah, it's very convenient.
Yeah. So you have the price in euro,
Yes.
in real,
Oh, do you have
and
a-
US dollars.
Oh, very good. Yes.
Because we
US
don't know how
yeah.
we want to pay. So
US dollars make
Yeah,
So
sense
you-
for
you-
us.
we
We
only
pay.
use US dollars.
Ah,
Yes.
okay, very good. So here you have the price over there.
Mhm.
The shipping cost is 400.
not this time.
Not this time.
Because
Actually,
Yeah, not this time probably because
Let's
not
do it
because-
for free this time.
Yeah.
We'll see next time.
Yeah.
no, no,
Not ready to
no,
talk
because
really
no,
about
because of the
what,
stock
what my
costs
colleague is
we
talking
provide.
about.
Yeah.
This is that we have like the partner could
Yeah.
provide you like tomorrow if you like
Yeah.
50 references
Yeah.
of the battery
Yeah.
that you would need, you know. So on that you don't have any shipping cost
Yeah.
because it's in the main city. It's
Okay.
in the same city. Sorry.
Okay.
So
Yeah. How
so
much
50.
would you charge in total? Let's make it clear.
Okay. So without. So let's say
only 200.
200. Yeah.
Only 200 because if they want 250, and we provide them 50.
Okay, 200 is 44,522 US dollars.
And the 50?
And
Free of charge.
the 50 others.
Free samples.
No.
No.
Okay.
Do you have samples in here, by the way?
No, we don't have any, but we have the partner that could come and do I don't know
We- he
a
will show you-
demonstration.
He will show
Okay.
you. Yeah.
He will show you how
Yeah.
that works and be able to discuss about it more in details because we don't know exactly like the technical parts. But our partner will be able to explain
right.
to you
Okay.
everything.
Good.
Okay.
So do you guarantee the exchange rate? I mean, what if the exchange rate between the dollars and the euro changes? Can we still buy at the same price in US dollars?
Could you be more specific, please? Sorry.
Well,
But
our
it seems
currency-
it's the same.
Oh, yeah,
Actually,
But I mean, you will.
Will it change? Would it change?
If-
Should it
if-
change? Should the rate vary?
I mean, like, every day it varies, but
It does.
We are
right
working
now,
with
right
Cofas.
now, Right now,
So
it is the current exchange rate.
I don't know if you know this company, but we are working with COFAS,
Yes.
who provide a security payment. It means if the value of a dollar or
Of the currency changes.
currency
Oh,
changes.
really?
uh,
Interesting.
Yeah. So
Okay.
it's a kind of insurance. So
Insurance for
Yeah.
whom?
no, for
No,
companies.
what my
Okay.
colleague is
Right. Maybe we don't know much about this
Yeah.
COFAS company, so
Okay, okay.
right, we
So
won't talk
that's
about
fine.
it.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Okay.
Can you
So-
explain also about payment terms?
Okay. So you will have to pay cash at the time of the order.
Yeah.
It means that if you order right now, you will have to pay cash right now.
What, 10%, 15% cash in advance, or what do you mean?
I don't know
The amount of the order, the total amount.
the total
Total
amount
amount?
Yeah.
of the order, but we could do like
When
a
we place the
pre-order.
order?
We
Yeah.
could do what we could do is we could do a pre-order. Like
Yeah.
right now, we call our partner. They
Yes.
will have some products tested for you
Right.
at your ambulance office. I don't know,
Mhm.
and then we could discuss about the reorder. But like we could sign a pre-order of that amount,
Mhm.
and then talk about if you are satisfied with the
Well,
product and
Let me
and
make
the
that clear.
installation.
We don't want to
It's-
pre-order.
yeah.
We need to replace 250 units like
As
So,
this
so,
week.
so then you would have to order right now.
And pay
And
cash.
pay
You
cash.
definitely can order right now. We want to know when we have to pay
Oh,
for
right
the
now.
bill.
We have some. Yeah, right now.
Right now, right now.
Right now.
Yeah,
So
pay-
you don't
pay-
trust us?
Pay. We do trust us, but
Yeah,
you will
no,
have
you
to-
trust you, but do you trust us?
okay.
You know,
we
in
ha-
Saudi Arabia, this is
Sure,
definitely something
sure.
we
But we
don't
have
deal that way.
we have some advice from our manager,
Yeah.
and he told us that you would have to pay cash right now. I mean,
Okay.
at the time of the order.
Maybe
if
we
you
could
order
sort
right now.
this out together with COFAS, maybe.
Maybe
At the
we can
bank.
use later,
Sorry.
later price. C'est le truc de bon.
Okay.
What
You
are you
can
saying, man?
use another.
Okay, if you
Maybe
have,
we could
yeah,
do-
I think you are. Maybe you have another solution.
Yeah.
We would be glad to work with your company. That's for sure. I mean, the quality looks interesting, and you are able to supply 50 units very, very quickly.
Mm.
But we need to understand.
Okay. So what we could do
When-
is that we could give us our bank, the Vlad bank details, so that you could
Yes.
do like the payment, the bank payment. So you could do that as well.
So if I sum it up, your offer is 55 roughly €1,000 for the batteries and the electrodes, right? And
No, just for the batteries.
Oh, just
It
for the
was
batteries.
calculated for the batteries. If we add the electrodes, so
Okay.
let's do it.
Yeah, please add the electrodes.
Okay, electrode.
You also want 250 electrodes. Yes.
Actually,
know.
we don't know
How many do we need?
per battery.
Oh, it's 250.
Yes.
It's the same.
It's
Actually.
Oh,
one,
it's the
one-
same.
It's one
Yeah.
for each product. So
Okay,
It's
this is
one-
something
one
we wanted
pair.
to make clear about
Yeah,
because
okay,
we
sure,
didn't
sure,
really
very
know.
Okay, so enter, and then it would be like US dollars 68,100.
So let me ask you
Five.
this question. So you work in France as well, right?
Yeah,
Yes.
sure.
So any of your customers confirm you an order of 70,000 euros? It happens sometimes you get orders of this amount, right?
Oh yeah, yeah,
Right.
yeah.
And all of them pay cash to you?
No, that's the export conditions.
Yes.
You know, we have
Okay.
from
Well, I
our
thought we were
managers.
special, that you were
No.
willing to help us.
Actually, I'm doing it like Rana, giving you the bank details just because we want to make a strong partnership with you. But
Well,
normally
that's not a good
that-
beginning then, because we will go into bankruptcy if we do so many expenses, right?
No, but you know,
No,
we
so-
are ready to pay maybe 10% when we place the order, or maybe 15%, something.
Okay.
Our habit is to pay, let's say, maximum 90 days
1980.
after the time when we get the invoice,
Yeah, sure.
not the order. Sure.
We need to find a
because-
compromise here.
And we
Yeah,
need to
sure.
compromise.
Regarding the
absolutely.
situation, maybe we can offer you a discount, and you will be able to pay cash a little bit more.
Uh-huh.
Depends
maybe.
on the discount.
Depends on the
Depending.
discount, yes.
Okay, so we are willing to make a 4%
Yes.
discount
4% discount.
right now on the total amount. So
That's
let's simulate if you like.
to see how
Yeah.
many you can save.
So, if you see that on US dollars, it would save you 2,724.
True,
US
but
dollars.
for the quantity, we would definitely expect a discount. Now, we both have to make the situation clear about the discount
Yeah, sure.
because of the quantity and the payment terms.
Okay.
So we
so
are
yeah,
ready
sure.
to get.
Okay. So regarding the situation, you need to have the batteries replaced right now, like like
Yes.
very soon. Okay.
And we need
When-
you to
And-
do it, by the
when-
way.
Yeah.
And
We don't know
and,
how to
and
Our
you
local partner
and-
will do it for you. So
Okay.
Yeah, local partner
Yeah,
with
for-
50
for-
units,
for the
which is
50,
again
first
very
units.
much appreciated. Yes.
Okay.
Mhm.
And you told us that you would pay like 90 days after the order, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
So we are going to give you the products, and then you are going to pay like 90 days. But you know, we wouldn't be able to make it to 90 days. Whatever, I don't know,
Okay.
half of it, 45 days.
Okay. So shall we stop talking or discussing?
So is
It's
is
a
it-
pity,
is it-
you know, because
is it-
you definitely have a good, nice, good, interesting offer. You came to
Sure.
us, and I feel like very upset if we cannot come to a conclusion before you go back to France.
All right. What do you think, partner?
let me think about it.
I think your boss will be upset as well if you don't get the order.
Sure.
Yes.
And then
Yes.
Two people who came to see us, very much appreciated too. But probably we can.
okay,
There's
because
room for discussion.
because you're an ambulance company, and that's normally there wouldn't be any problem. We are willing to.
Yes,
to-
we
to-
are
to-
a
to make-
private company.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Yeah.
So you know we
But
are willing
we
to
are
do
a
that.
well-known company.
Okay.
You know, probably you checked our accounts before you came to see.
Yeah, sure. We had it all checked out.
Okay.
All right. So like, is that okay for you? So 90 days.
Okay.
90 days, we'll try to work with that.
Okay.
Okay.
If it's the best you can do, we'll try to work with that.
This is the best we can do.
Yeah, this is the
Okay.
best.
This is the best you
Do
can
we agree on the amount then?
Well, 4% is still a little low
Uh,
for us. You know, the Swiss,
Mm.
they give us, I think, 10 to 15% on each order.
Yeah.
Yes, but
And
you know we
sometimes
provide
have
a
less
very
quantities.
you know we provide services as well. You know, like it's like a service. We provide products, but it's like our local partner will have all sorted out for you. You know, all,
Mm.
We
you
are
know,
we are not only selling products, we are selling services.
Well, they do as well, but still
Uh,
they have this 15% discount.
Yeah. Again, what about you talk about service? You talked about installation previously. Can we have one word about this before
Okay,
you go?
you want to start?
Yeah.
Our personnel, our local partner,
Yes.
will provide the installation,
Yeah.
a demonstration to.
Demonstration.
Yes.
Yeah. We don't really
Demonstration as
care
well,
about
because maybe
demonstration.
maybe
No,
it's a new product for the ambulance, or I don't know, and they will take care of everything.
So we'll he be in a position to install
Yes.
the 250
sure.
Yes.
And
free of charge.
Yes.
and it's on us.
Yes.
You know.
Okay, so
Becau-
that
so
sounds
because-
interesting.
That's
because
interesting.
we
That's
pay
very
that.
much interesting.
Yeah, that's what maybe we can do better than the
Yeah.
Swiss guys.
Oh,
apparently.
Mhm.
no?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Wh-
do
I can imagine it could be a good deal.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
might be yes.
Could be, probably it's time we come to the conclusion of this discussion because
Okay, very good. Yeah, you might.
unfortunately we don't have
sure,
much
sure, sure,
time.
sure. Very good. So we have another. Like I can give you the general terms and condition of sale.
Yes.
You have the shipping conditions, payment,
Yes.
taxes.
Well, you
so
have to
then
modify that, right?
sure,
Yeah,
we
because,
will have
we
it
had,
modified and we will send you.
yeah.
Okay.
Yes, I will send
so-
you an email summarizing the important point of our
Very
agreement.
yes. Yes.
If you have any other questions,
Any other questions?
Okay. Let's
Okay.
do that, and we'll get back to you.
Okay,
Okay.
very good. So we will have it printed out for you, and then you will have to sign it and return it to you.
Yeah, for sure.
Okay.
Okay, very good.
Confirm. Yes. By
Very good. So we agreed on that one. Sheila, please.
So we agree on 65
$68,105 US
dollars. Yeah.
and 50 cents.
Well,
Mhm.
and we need the discount as well.
Oh, there is a discount.
Yes.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
okay.
So
Oh,
that's-
yeah.
That's
so
how many.
different.
seats
my
we
bad.
say,
My
yeah.
bad. Sorry.
Okay, that's fine.
65,381.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So the next ones. And one more thing, the defibrillators, electrodes, they are from Schiller. So you have like an old Schiller package, like and Schiller recommends to use its products, like together, so that it can work better. So it's one more point.
Okay.
Okay, quantity, so 250, very good. And by the way, we would like to invite you to come in France if you like to visit our company.
I could spend 1 week in France.
At least 1 week.
Yeah, maybe.
In Paris?
Yeah.
Are you located in Paris?
No,
we're
yeah.
located in Tours. I don't know if you're.
Okay, can we visit Paris too?
Oh, you could.
Yeah.
Okay.
Where will you be staying? Do you have a nice hotel to?
Oh,
Yes.
yeah.
Okay.
We have like.
Let's do a vacation then.
Yeah, the
You
two
know,
of us
If they pay for it.
and the kids.
Yeah, of course we pay.
Let's do
We
that.
actually have 4.
Yeah.
We will take
It's
care
a
of everything.
very
so-
nice area,
Oh.
Very good. So date of the order, okay.
I
And
like
we
this
agreed
deal.
on.
I like this deal. Yeah. Yeah.
Definitely.
You like it? We do as well. Very good. So if you could just sign it, please.
Yeah.
Right over there.
Well, we'll look
again,
at it and
we'll look at it.
If everything is
if
good,
everything is good,
Yeah.
we'll get
Yeah,
back
yeah.
to you.
of course.
Okay.
Very good.
All right. Thank you very much for
So
coming.
thank
Thank you
very
very much, sirs. Yes.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you.
J'espère que pour vous, c'est également une expérience intéressante. Voilà. Donc on se retrouve d'ici 15 minutes pour... Vous pouvez rester là. Hein. Vous pouvez rester ici et nous, les jurys vont s'arrêter là. Si vous avez envie de prendre l'air, on va aller à côté.
Il fallait vous réveiller un peu. Hein, parce qu'il y avait ça. Il fallait vous réveiller un peu.
On va peut-être...
Oui, je suis désolée, je passe juste un petit coup de fil.
On va aller à côté. Oui.
Oui,
Ils ont besoin de...
Oui.
C'est pas très normal que... Donc, dans la garder, on va... Ouais, ok. Ok. Ouais, on laisse direct pour avoir remis ses prix aussi ou... Ouais, ouais. Ok, ouais. Ça marche, ouais. Ouais, ouais, bon, on va mettre plus de lumière dans la salle. Ok, ça marche.
Tableau. Tac.
Je t'ai pas vu en train de faire
regardé, hein. Ah, c'était toi là. La 13e. Ouais. C'est les négos en portugais là. Ouais, ah bah, je suis la première. Bonne dia. Les premières. Les deuxièmes. Ah ouais, ouais, mais c'était les premières. En rouge, là, avec le... Ah non, non. Ah bah t'aurais essayé celle avec elle fait de coucou parce qu'on nous regarde toujours. Arnaud, il est où? Hein? Bah, il est là. Arnaud, coucou, on est là. On est là. On est bon, bon. Bah, si, moi, je veux savoir qui c'est qui a gagné. Hein. Oui, ils étaient un peu compatibles avec le c'est dans un quart d'heure. On voit dans 10 minutes. Moi, je viens prendre un truc. Je sens que ah bah, les tirages, il y a la pâte, c'est ça? Et la pâte d'étienne. Au moins. Bon bah c'est ça. Sympa pour Benoît. Sympa pour Benoît. On lui dira. Ah Benoît, maintenant que t'es parti, c'est mieux. Et c'est ce que j'aime bien. D'habitude, il n'y a jamais de rose.
C'est pas moi, c'est Romain. Il a pris une initiative, mais que j'ai validée. Ah, je me suis pas.
C'est les nappes des salons, ça? Ça arrive. Je vais voir déjà pour éviter le stock de papier. Regarde comment il s'appelle. Il n'y a pas de papier et tout. Dis-lui papier, je passe derrière là-bas. Elle dit ah non, j'ai pas trouvé, mais je t'en prie. Alors je me dis je vais changer, je sais pas quoi, on me dit oui. Elle me dit ah oui, il range le papier, je dis bah c'est une lettre. Je dis je l'avais pas vu, je m'appelle surtout ce qui reste. Bah oui. Bon, je vais me prendre une progression chaude.
Nous devons prendre ton petit thé, mon bébé.
Ouais, c'est ça.
C'est là. Bah, tu veux un thé, viens chez nous le prendre. Tu vas bien.
Bon, ben non, c'est bien vu.
T'es bien vu, toi, aujourd'hui?
venir ici, on se lance tout ça.
Ah d'accord.
Nous, on va s'isoler un petit peu, tranquillement à côté.
D'accord.
Et puis,
Et toi?
Bien. Donc l'ère des résultats est arrivée. Donc le jury, après consultation, a décidé donc d'attribuer les prix suivants, en commençant par les troisièmes, le deuxième et ensuite les premiers. Je rappelle que les finalistes, il y avait donc 2 équipes de La Rochelle et une équipe d'Issoudun. Déjà, on peut les applaudir. Alors, le troisième prix est attribué donc à Chardon Arthur et Maton Paul d'Issoudun. Voilà. Vous venez, je vous... Ensuite, le deuxième prix est attribué par le jury à donc mademoiselle Maloiselle Céline, je crois, et Colline, pardon, et à Sanz Francesca. Merci, mademoiselle. Et donc, le premier prix est attribué à Anaïs Haig et à Noémie Roussel. Donc, ces demoiselles auront l'honneur, je suppose le plaisir, de venir à la prochaine Assemblée générale des chefs de département TC qui va se tenir à Dunkerque, donc au mois de mai. Et donc là, vous aurez l'occasion d'abord d'assister aux différentes festivités, puisque vous êtes invité au repas de gala. Et à cette occasion-là, on va vous remettre votre prix, ainsi qu'on le fera pour tous les autres finalistes qui viendront, je vous le rappelle tout simplement, de Lyon, où se déroulent aujourd'hui les masters de négociation produits non alimentaires, de Strasbourg, négociation en allemand, de Toulouse, des négociations des produits innovants, de Limoges, négociations sur les services, de Figeac, des produits alimentaires, au Havre, espagnol, négociation en espagnol, et à Valence, où il y a les produits touristiques. Donc voilà, donc il y aura des étudiants qui vont venir, tous les gagnants, si je puis dire, de chaque manifestation seront invités à cette occasion-là. Voilà, donc merci à toutes et à tous, et surtout merci aux membres du jury d'avoir été, avoir joué les jeux de façon très professionnelle. Merci à tous mes collègues accompagnateurs qui sont venus ici à soutenir leurs étudiants. Merci à tous les étudiants, bien sûr, d'avoir vraiment joué le jeu aussi, d'avoir participé. Et puis ma petite équipe des projets qui vous a contacté, vous allez les rencontrer. Ils sont en train de préparer les cocktails, donc dans une salle qui se trouve à côté, à laquelle je vous invite, bien sûr, de vous y conduire. Donc c'est la salle C090. Vous avez des indications en sortant à gauche et après à droite. Et donc là, ça va être encore l'occasion de discuter avec les membres du jury pour avoir des précisions, d'abord les finalistes et puis les autres, sur votre prestation, Voilà. Bien, merci encore. Et à l'année prochaine peut-être.